Hi, my name's Sarah and I'm the marketing coordinator for GeoSnapshot. Today I'm doing a quick video on how to best market your photos quickly and easily on Facebook. So you come to our site www.geosnapshot.com. You either join as a photographer, which is free, or you log in. I've already logged in, so I will go to the photography dashboard page. So once I'm on this page, I've got upload and sell photos. So I've created an event called Sarah's Photography, which I want to easily and quickly share on Facebook. So I can go to my manage photo areas, and here I have 4 albums connected to that event, which is portraits, landscape, sports and wedding photography. So I can click on any one of those albums. Once I've clicked on the album, I have all the files here. I can either delete those files or add additional files to that album. And I can share the event quick link. So if I click on the event quick link, I'll be taken to the event, Sarah's Photography, and here you can view all the albums associated with that event. So here are all my photos, and I really want to share these photos on Facebook so people can either buy my photos or easily download them. So here is my event quick link. So I copy and paste that link and I go to my Facebook page. So once I'm on that page, I've written a little blurb about checking out my portfolio, and it will automatically take a photo from the event. I can also change that photo. So I'll change the photo that I want to share on Facebook. And once the photo's changed, I can post it on my wall, I can send it to my friends, or I can send that event quick link to event organisers for an event I've shot. So if I shot an event on the weekend and I want the event organisers to promote on their page, I can just give them a copy of that link and they can easily share with all the participants that were involved. So once the event is posted, people can easily click on the image and they'll be taken directly to the event that I've created with all the albums. Then they can select the photos that they want to view, add them to the cart, check out, enter their details and purchase now. It's as easy as that. If you have any questions, you can email us at support@geosnapshot.com.